Welcome to the Akixi Outlook video for 2019. In this video, we're going to take a look at what we've got coming up in the year ahead. The features we're going to take a look at are the new Akixi video tutorials, the enhanced app features, Akixi's new SIP trunk reporting, Akixi 3000, Akixi's long-awaited Omnichannel analytics offering, as well as a review of Akixi's online partner services and a quick roundup of some of the other enhancements coming up. We are pleased to announce the release of a new collection of 20 bite-sized Akixi tutorial videos. These videos cover a range of topics, from a basic high-level overview of how Akixi works through to advanced in-depth technical tutorials. You can access the majority of the videos on the Akixi YouTube channel, with the more advanced technical tutorials available exclusively via the Akixi Partner Zone. Following the successful release of the Akixi Wallboard app this time last year, we've been working hard to deliver new enhancements. Going forward, we'll be bringing additional reporting capabilities. The first of these being the ACD agent reporting and control. This will allow easy visibility of ACD agent activity on a mobile device. This also brings agent control to the app, which will allow supervisors to perform such functions as signing agents in and out of groups, making them available or not available, or turning Do Not Disturb on or off, all from within the app. The app enhancement will be released in early 2019. We're very excited to announce that 2019 will see the release of Akixi's long-awaited omnichannel product, Akixi 3000. Akixi 3000 will bring all the accurate, reliable and flexible reporting and analytics that we already deliver for calls to new media channels. Akixi 3000 has the same familiar look and feel to all the other existing services, as well as now being able to provide analytics for email and live web chat. Akixi 3000 is scheduled to be released early 2019. Coming in early 2019, you'll be able to use Akixi for SIP trunk analytics on the Broadworks platform. On release, you're going to be able to report on numbers associated with SIP trunk services using existing Akixi reports, with dedicated SIP trunk reports, such as trunk utilization, coming in future releases. Other enhancements that are coming in 2019 include the ability to copy Akixi reports, and this includes the cloning of existing reports. The Akixi Dashboard, which will give you the ability to display more than one report within a single window. You will also see some visual changes to the application as we aim to deliver a fresher feel and some new aesthetics to the product throughout 2019. And to finish off, just a quick reminder about Akixi's online partner services. These are the Partner Zone, where you can access all the resources relevant to our Akixi channel partners, including Akixi user guides, technical and security documentation, order forms, go-to-market toolkit, plus links to all our new video tutorials. The Akixi Feedback Portal, where you can get involved in suggesting new product enhancements and features, as well as voting and commenting on existing suggestions, all of which will allow you to be kept up to date by email on any new developments. And finally, the Support Portal. From here, you are able to raise new support tickets, keep up to date with open ticket progress, as well as being able to access the knowledge base. So from all of us here at Akixi, we look forward to working with you over the coming year. Bye for now.